We go. It's your boy, Ed Murray Mini Motors, y'all. Back out with another one. For those who don't know, this is an electric mini bike that I changed out. Put a gas motor on there. You look back here where the electric motor used to go. Took that out. Added this here gas motor in there. Ran a whole new chain tensioner. Got some little homemade motor mounts. Gotta cut this part off right here, make it even. Twist throttle setup. Gotta make a gas tank for it still. Right now I got a little water bottle set up. Some mixed gas and a gas line. Running all the way down to the carburetor right now. Just temporary. Make sure everything works. Little modifying, y'all. A little bit of engineering. You see right here, the original frame had a pipe coming from there down to there. Cut that out. Kind of upset I did now. I didn't really have to. I had to a little bit. I couldn't fit right there. But, yep. Had to swap out for a different gearbox because the last one that came on the original motor made the bike go in reverse instead of forward. So, swapped out with another old motor right here. And I had laying around in the parts. Yeah. Engineering going on right here. Yours truly. See if we get this thing fired up real quick. Hold on 1 second. Alright, I had to get my gas line set up for you. It's going to be kind of hard to pull. Let's see if we can get it started. Second, give y'all some throttle real quick. Give me 1 second here. Oh yeah. Get a gas tank figured out, put on here, some plastics put on it. There it is. Electric mini bike turned into a gas mini bike. Almost complete. We're about 95% done. Y'all stay tuned, man. Peace.